In this video, I'm going to show how to install HTML email signature in your Gmail account. At the very first time, we need to find the settings button. Under the settings button, we need to see all settings. Okay, all settings. Clicks all the settings, and then down the page. Under this round, we need to find the signature. Okay, here is the place signature. Okay. Click this button. Okay. Set the name is Jalan. Okay. Here is the place, and then we need to open our HTML file. Okay. Here is the HTML file. Okay. Here is the HTML file. Ctrl+A. Okay. Ctrl+A. That means select, and then Ctrl+C. Ctrl+C. That means copy. Ctrl+C and go back to our Gmail interface where we have set the name. Okay, and paste here. Okay, yeah, and finally for the new email uses, set the name Johan, and on the reply for the new email uses Johan, and on the reply and forward uses select the name Johan. Okay, and then finally jump and the save button. Okay. And then compose button. Okay. And when you will send an email to your idea, button, click automatically. It will add on your Gmail account. Okay.